Now this particular problem is problem number 23. Okay, so here you can see that I have already done this. Okay, so I'm just going to explain how you are going to do this. So initially it is given that pentagon is resting on a corner, so you are just drawing this pentagon in a corner, and here you have to draw two perpendicular bisectors, one from starting from this corner to the midpoint of this particular edge. Okay, but you can see that I have trimmed the line here. Okay, so similar two particular perpendicular bisectors you have to draw. So wherever these two perpendicular bisectors will meet, that is your axis point, will start from there. Rest after that you can just remove this. Okay, then you just project this. How to do that, I'll just show it to you. Let us say, okay, if you are having, I'm just going to extend this. You will draw two perpendicular bisectors here. Make sure the midpoint is visible. So when you draw two perpendicular bisectors, wherever you get the two intersection, from there you have to join the projection line. Okay, so that after that you can just trim the lines, and finally you get this particular image. Okay, next project it from each of the ends. Here you just join it, and remember that always you have to project the axis here first. Axis is 50. First you project this 50 mm line here, then you join these lines here. Okay, these lines and along with the base. This particular base you have to incline here. It is given as 40 degrees here. The axis is inclined to HP at an angle of 40 degrees, but the base will be inclined at an angle of 90 minus 40, that is 50 degrees. So whenever you are rotating this when you want to rotate it with the help of this base only, you have to rotate it. Okay, so when you rotate it with the help of base, you have to give the angle as 50 there, then only this axis will be 40. I hope you are understanding this. Then let's just to project this. Okay, you just project all the things. Since it is resting on the corner point here, okay, so the corner is not visible when you are seeing this from the top. So this particular corner is not visible. So as the corner is not visible itself, so these two edges, okay, these two edges will not be visible also this edge will also not be visible. So all these things will be dashed lines. And coming to this particular fifth position, you know how to do this beta angle problem, similar to what we have done in square based pyramids. Okay, first see here, initially it was 50 mm, the axis changed to 38.3. So whatever 50 mm is there, you just draw a 50 mm line at an angle of 30 degrees here. Here I have drawn this. Okay, 50 mm at an angle of 30. Then I'm drawing this locus here. Okay, after that, on the earlier drawn 30-degree line from the end point, from there I'm just drawing another line here, this axis line. Okay, axis line I have seen, it is 38.3. I'm just joining it to the nearest end to the 30-degree line. So just join it. I hope everybody has already seen it in the square wedge pyramids problems. So just reconstruct this here. Move copy, you can use it, then rotate it to get this final position. Then just project it. So as you've seen this in square wedge pyramid problems, so just the bottom face is the continuous one. So whichever line is cutting this bottom face, that will become a dashed line. Okay. So this is how your square based or pentagon based problems, based on if it is appears to be, it is easier. If even if it is resting on an edge also, it is easier. Just go through these problems. Okay, since I cannot cannot show you how all the problems have been explained, so just go through all the problems and try to do it on your own. Sketching, you can do it by using the arc methods. Okay, I have shown it to you in initial classes of planes. So just go through the arc methods. So just by using arc methods, you can reconstruct this particular fifth position. Okay, only thing wherever you are needing arc, this is only based on fifth positions. Rest all the things are you are going to get it just by projecting. Okay, and here one third position and fifth position, only things where you're going to need arc based. By cutting off arcs, you're going to get the points. Okay, I hope everybody can do these problems. Okay, in the next class I'll be showing you problems on hexagonal base pyramids, one problem on hexagonal base pyramids, and some special cases of solids are there. We'll see it in the next class.